Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to launch your Audi TTS. First, it's crucial to ensure your car's engine and transmission oil are at their proper operating temperatures. Next, always find a safe, clear, and legal area for this high-performance maneuver. Remember to wear your seatbelt and confirm your surroundings are completely clear before proceeding. Safety is always the top priority when experiencing your car's full potential. To prepare your Audi TTS for launch, begin by selecting Dynamic Mode within your Audi Drive Select system. This sharpens throttle response and adjusts other vehicle characteristics for a sportier feel. Then, move your gear selector to Engage Sport, or S, mode for the transmission. Finally, briefly press the electronic stabilization control button once to activate ESC Sport mode. Do not hold it down, as that fully deactivates stability control. Now, let's activate launch control. With your left foot, firmly press and hold the brake pedal all the way down. Simultaneously, fully depress the accelerator pedal to the floor with your right foot. You will hear the engine rev up and automatically hold at an optimal RPM, typically between 3,000 and 4,000 revolutions per minute, indicating launch control is engaged. With the engine holding its revs, the final step is to execute the launch. Quickly and completely release the brake pedal with your left foot, while keeping your right foot firmly on the accelerator. Your Audi TTS will then accelerate with maximum power, utilizing its all-wheel drive system for optimal traction and minimal wheel spin. Always remember to use this feature responsibly and only in appropriate, controlled environments.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.